You will not believe these were made in the air fryer. Stay tuned and see how I make them. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if this is your first time being here. So today I'm going to be making some air fried chicken wings. I have my chicken wings in a bowl there that I marinated overnight. I have some buttermilk and seasoning and everything in there, but for the accurate measurements and for the ingredients, I will leave a link in the description because I have this recipe for fried chicken on my channel. So I will leave that link in the description. So right now I'm going to show you the process of just doing the dry rub. Right now I'm adding some seasoned salt, garlic powder. I also added some Creole seasoning to it. I don't want to add too much to this. I wanted to also add some onion powder, but I ran out of onion powder, but the marinade already have onion powder, so it's fine. So right now that's all I'm putting in here. You don't want to put too much because you don't want the chicken to come out salty because you already have seasoning in the marinade. So you can average and really gauge yourself with that. So I'm just gonna mix it all up and I'm gonna add in the Creole seasoning. Once this is all mixed up, I am going to start breading the chicken. The air fryer is a pretty easy method. I love using the air fryer because it's not a big cleanup afterward. You don't have to worry about that oily smell coming out of your kitchen. And you also don't have to worry about all that oil in your body. So I really love this. It's the same process. I mean, my fried chicken recipe from before was fried and it tasted the same way. It's the same exact way. Because I even added some hot sauce in there. I mean, everything is just the same taste. So, you know, the air fryer is a pretty easy way if you don't like all that, you know, frying and smelling that burnt oil smell and, you know, all of that. And also the air fryer is very accurate. The settings on here are very accurate. So if you put that on air fried, it's going to air fry that chicken perfectly. You don't have to worry about it being raw or anything like that. So that's what I love about the air fryer. So I'm putting the chicken onto a wire rack and I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes because you want the flour to kind of sit in it a little. And because I have that cornstarch in there, it's going to be nice and crunchy. So once my rack is all filled up, this is the rack for the air fryer, so I just have to place that right into the air fryer. So my air fryer was already preheated. That is one thing that you want to do while you're breading the chicken. You want to preheat your air fryer. Just put it in, and I also spray the top of the chicken wings with cooking spray because that will help the chicken to not be too ashy looking and tasting too floury in your mouth. I don't know if you ever had that taste, but I don't like that flour taste. So you want to make sure that you spray the top of it because of course you're not using oil, so you have to use something to make sure that your chicken stays nice and moist. So I have that olive oil cooking spray. You can use whatever cooking spray that you have at hand and just spray it very generously. I'm going to stop this halfway through and well, not stop because the air fryer actually tells you when you're halfway through and it tells you to turn the food. So this is what my air fryer do. I'm not sure about other air fryers. So now I'm going to spray some more spray onto that because you see that little, you know, those white flour spots on there. So I'm just spraying it so that it will be nice and moist, as I said before. So you're going to put it back in, let it finish cooking, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Once that is done, your chicken is done. You don't have to worry about it being raw or anything. Checking, testing. You don't need to put a thermometer in there. It's already cooked. So these are the chicken wings. You see how nice and crunchy they look. I mean, they were like really crunchy. So I'm just plating them up right now, and we are going to eat this with some fries. I also have some broccoli, so I'm just going to put that with it. But this is pretty much it. I mean, you just Get whatever sauce you like. You can make a sauce on the side, or you can buy a sauce. We used ketchup, and we had some barbecue sauce. It just depends on what sauce you like to eat with your wings. Or some people just eat it just like that. I mean, it's tasty enough because of the hot sauce that I put into the marinade. So it's really nice and moist and tasty with the buttermilk. You get that nice buttermilk taste. So here's the finished wings. I plated it up. And yeah, these were really tasty. They tasted really good. So I really hope that you try this quick recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye. Thank you for watching.